Make flat work less work with Tomahawk Portable Trowels, leaving laborious hand finishing tasks in the past. Easy to store, transport, and use, Tomahawk Portable Trowels are a game changer in concrete finishing. Weighing less than 60 pounds, assembly is a breeze. Simply connect up to 4 handles matching your slab size. No need to wait. The trowel's compact, lightweight design allows concrete finishing up to 45 minutes earlier, while you work up to 20 feet outside the formwork. Plus, with its easy directional steering, you can achieve precise movement by moving the handle from top to bottom. Using the blade pitch control, adjust from 0 to 28 degrees with the trowel's 4 combo blades, suitable for the initial floating to final finishing. Built tough with long-lasting materials, parts, and more, Tomahawk Portable Trowels are backed by a 1-year warranty with reliability you can count on. Trusted nationwide, see why contractors are choosing Tomahawk for their concrete finishing projects. Power your world and get yours today.